Respected Sir and Madam, Happy Handwriting is India's leading government-approved handwriting course. It helps students to improve, change, and speed up their handwriting for success in exams and life. We are all aware that the COVID lockdown effect on school and college students as well as their studies and especially their handwriting. The student completely stopped writing. They forget how to write. Now their handwriting becomes so bad, poor, and very slow. Students lose writing speed also. And now, bad handwriting and low writing speed affect students' exam marks and percentages. Somehow, students become lazy and lethargic. Time 2. Any magical solution for student handwriting issues? Yes. Happy Handwriting Student Course is the solution for all age groups students. First, our expert team analyzes students' original handwriting. Every student's handwriting is unique. So, we specially create a personalized, Happy Handwriting Student Course kit as per student handwriting. In this course, every syllabus is different from the other. We make the individual course as per student handwriting. This course improves students' handwriting and increases handwriting speed over first day. In this course, 30 minutes of daily practice for 8 days completely change student handwriting permanently. This course is specially designed for education curriculum activities. Course method based on the science of graphology and proven handwriting skills. What the course kit contains. 1. 8 days practice worksheets. 2. Graphological practice techniques. 3. Handwriting speed increased technique worksheets. 4. Your handwriting skills report. 5. Master cursive practice techniques. 6. Fun activity practice techniques. 7. Minimum 4 worksheets per day. 8. Students can daily practice for 30 minutes. 9. Free book, Student Success from Handwriting. 10. Free e-learning video syllabus. 11. In 8 days, students get 100% results in their handwriting as per their desire. Course duration, 8 days, daily 30 minutes of practice of different techniques. Happy Handwriting is associated with Government Institute. Thank you.